Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph. In today's video, we're testing out a mic that BOYA sent to me. So let's go ahead and check it out. Okay, so we just wrapped up a shoot. Maybe I'll insert some of the clips for you guys to see, but I was supposed to do a test of this BOYA microphone. BOYA sent it to me. And right now, if she's supposed to talk, you will not really hear her unless she really projects, because I have a wired mic running into this wireless mic from Sennheiser, but this has two transmitters in there, which means I can give her one and I can also use one. And then we can also test it in this noisy environment just to check out how it sounds. So right now you're hearing the Sennheiser. Okay, so it comes in this case where you can check out the power level. So on the case, you have a USB Type-C for charging the case itself. So you can charge this case and it's going to charge the transmitters and the receiver as well. So if I open, so as you can see, this is a very brand new mic. We have two transmitters. So I'll mic myself, I'll mic Cardi. We have a dead cat there. And then we have these adapters if you want to use it for your phone, whether Android or iOS. And then this is what's going to go into your camera. So right now what you're hearing is the Sennheiser, and it's just me, because like I said, it's wired right up here. And I'll switch and then we'll check out how this sounds and you can compare it to the Sennheiser as well. I'm hoping these will pair automatically. I've not tried any of this just yet, so you guys will also get to experience this in real time with me. Take that off. Okay, maybe you can do this for me. Take this off. Take that off as well. Okay, so there's a power button on the side. Just press and hold. And I think we can do the same thing for you as well. Currently, I can see that they're all blinking blue. Looks like it's searching for something to connect to on the side right here. Yeah, so that's on. Oh, and instantly, I think it's paired. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this inside this camera and then we'll mic ourselves and then we'll test the quality as well. All right, so this is for you. This is for me.
Let's say next week. Well, I have all the equipment. I just need to...
Do you have lights?
I have lights.
Okay.
I have ring light, I have the box lights, I have all the equipment you need. I just need to find the confidence now.
Are you serious?
No, like I feel like talking in front of a camera can be really like weird and awkward.
It's weird. I'm struggling and everything.
I mean, it's both of us. You know, we're supporting each other.
Yeah, so maybe I can support you with yours.
Yeah.
I don't know much about beauty and makeup and all of that, but yeah.
I know it's like not that difficult, but I don't know. I've wanted to do it for like 10 years and I think it's time to actually give it a shot.
Yeah, you should. To be honest, you should. So right now, I'm sure you guys can hear me loud and clear. You can hear Cardi as well. What we will do is probably just walk, you know, some few feet apart and see if you can still pick up the sound from me and then from here as well. I think I'll go this way.
Yeah, I'll go this way. There's a lot of waves over here though.
So my back is towards the camera. So if you're still hearing my voice, it means that even without line of sight, you can still hear me loud and clear. Now I'm facing the camera and Cardi is also facing the camera. Cardi, can you hear me?
Yes. I feel like we're about to play tennis.
Okay, so right now we're just walking about. So if you're still hearing good audio, then it means that this mic is doing really well. As you would know, we didn't have any preset settings. All we did was just turn the mic on and it automatically paired to the receiver. So right now we're even facing the waves, and so if you're able to hear us isolated from all that noise in the background, then it still means that this mic is doing an amazing job.
Yes.
And yes, so you can talk to two people unlike my other mic where it was just me, this is really, really convenient if you're having like a 2-person interview, if you're doing like a behind the scenes like we did, you know, and then you want to have audio from your subjects as well. This is something that you can easily do, and you don't have to use the 2 mics at the same time. If it's just me that's doing the talking, I can just, you know, turn the other one off, and then you just hear the audio from this microphone. So let me know how it sounds. Right now, I don't know. Kadi?
Yes.
Is there anything you want to say? Maybe let's, I think the wind is coming from here, right?
Here.
So we can just turn our backs to it. And
Okay.
if you're not hearing anything and you're just hearing us properly isolated as well, then it means that the microphone is doing well. So what did you think about the shoot that we had?
I thought it was great. I always loved shoot days, and I loved all the different shots that we got, different outfits. Being on the water was amazing. I've never done anything like that.
Oh, so this was your first?
First time.
Go me.
Yes.
And we should do more of that.
I
then.
know.
Yeah.
I'm like really excited to see how those pictures turned out. So.
And I am a bit nervous because I've seen your page, I've seen your images, and then I was even shocked to realize that you were creating that by yourself.
Yeah.
And here's the case,
Yeah.
I am supposed to be a professional photographer, and I'm shooting with a professional camera,
I mean,
and you've been using a phone, and I don't know if I can compete, to be honest. I
honestly,
will just tell you the truth right
I've
now.
only been doing this for like a year. I taught myself how to edit. I watched a lot of YouTube videos.
I think I've wasted 6 years, to be honest.
No, it's crazy when people say that to me because I feel like it could be so much better. Like I think your work is amazing. So I think my stuff could be so much better.
But
so.
like, to be honest, I was really scared when I was messaging you, because I thought, you know what, you're already doing amazing.
Thank
so
you.
What else can I add? What like?
Well, you added a lot
Because you're already
today.
here. Your images are already there, and well, yeah, you're doing amazing.
Well, thank you. No, I really had a good time today. I'm so excited to see how everything turned out.
Yeah, I'm under pressure, but I know that
No,
you'll be
you
so
shouldn't be at all. I feel like I'm a newbie and I'm still like finding my footing and like exactly how I want to brand myself. So
Right now, I don't know if you can tell, like there's a lot of noise, the waves, there's a siren. But again, if we are being isolated properly, this mic is doing well. All right, so I think that's it for today's video. Thank you, Boya, for sending me these microphones. If I get back into the studio, listen to the audio, and it sounds great, I think it's something that I will be able to recommend, but I can't say that just yet. I will know after I've checked out the audio and the studio. So I'm sure you guys would agree that the microphones did perform really well outdoors in that loud, uncontrolled conditions that we were facing, like the winds, the waves, everything splashing, the cars that were passing by, and all of that. There is a dead cat that we didn't use, and so it did pick up a bit of wind getting to some points, but all in all, I think it really did a good job in isolating our voice from all of the noise in the background. Right now, if you're hearing me, what I've been using in the studio talking head the whole time has been the same BOYA wireless microphone. As you can see on my chest, I've been talking directly into it. Usually when I'm doing these kinds of videos, I have a dedicated mic in here for that, which is my D3 Pro, but I also wanted to test this mic out, you know, just filming myself, hearing my voice in a controlled environment, just to check out how it sounds. So again, let me know how you feel about this. I feel this is going to be a really great tool that you can add to your arsenal if you're a content creator who wants to upgrade the kind of quality that you're getting in terms of audio for their video production, because you know sound is just like 50% of your videos, and so if you invest in good sound, chances are you already have your videos 50% there. So let me know what you think about the sound, the microphone, the design, the whole shebang that Boya sent me, and then you can check it out with the link below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you, Kadi, for blessing us, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. And remember, don't ever give up.
bye guys.